Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Amazfit device to your phone. First, you need to download the Zepp application, which is the official companion app for Amazfit devices. You can find it on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Make sure your phone's operating system is updated to at least iOS 12 or Android 7 for optimal compatibility and performance. Once the Zepp app is installed, open it and either create a new account or log in using your existing credentials. This account will store all your health and fitness data. Next, it's crucial to enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Go to your phone settings, find the Bluetooth option, and turn it on. Your Amazfit device uses Bluetooth to communicate with your phone. With Bluetooth active, open the Zepp app and navigate to the Profile tab. Here, you will see an option to add device. Tap this and select your specific Amazfit model from the list provided. Your watch will then display a pairing request, often with a confirmation code. Confirm this code on both your phone and your Amazfit device to establish the connection. After successful pairing, the Zepp app will begin its initial data synchronization with your Amazfit device. This process might take a few moments to complete. Once synced, you can explore all the personalized settings, track your health metrics, and customize notifications directly from the app. Remember to keep your phone and Amazfit device within a range of about 10 meters for a consistent and stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.